literally looks like dog food. Please don't burn, please don't burn. Oh my gosh. I already messed it up. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel if you're new here. And I'm pretty thirsty, so I'm going to make boba tea. A little bit heavy. So this box is from Bubble Tea Club that I got from my sister for my birthday back in December. Thank you again for this gift. I am finally using it. Have fun cooking your present. Oh no, cooking. So what we have in this bubble tea kit. So I've got my own whole cup. Let's open her up. We got some straws. We've got some green tea. And we also got creamer. And we also got premium black tea. And we've got the pearls, of course. And another straw. Ooh, and I think these are like the metal straws. Ooh, it is fancy. Environmentally friendly too. And I've got this cleaning, washing thing. And we got strawberry popping pearls. We've got 2 jars of fructose, which is probably really unhealthy. And I've got some strawberry syrup. And some more straws. Today I plan on making the original milk tea because that is my go-to, and I also plan on making a fruity tea. Alright, so if you go to your camera, and as you can see, here's everything. The box has a barcode, and you simply tap on it, and it directly takes you to their website, and you click on Bubble Tea Recipes. And as you can see, you can click on whatever kit you have. So I'm gonna make the original milk tea. And yeah, here are the ingredients. The instructions are all here as well, which is great. It seems super easy, but knowing me, I think I'll probably like burn the pearls, but we'll see. We'll take it step by step. I've looked at the website and I can't find the green tea strawberry, so I think I'm gonna like make it up and see how it goes. All right, so I got pot and a beaker. Oh my God. So I got some teaspoons, another cup, a beaker, and some pot.
Instructions. Prepare 360 ml of water in a pot to bring to boil over the stove. Put pearls into the boiling water, and I have to cook them for around 20 minutes.
So I'm actually gonna cheat and turn on the kettle. And once it's boiled, I'll put it in the pot and then cook it over the stove. I just think it's much faster that way. So I got the kettle boiling and I realized this like fruit jelly pearls, expiry date 19th of January 2021. It's fine, I'm still gonna eat it. The fructose I can use. The only thing that's expired is the fruit jellies because I've left this way too long. This strawberry syrup as well, but that's fine. Hopefully I don't spill them. Whoa, that's weird. Ooh, it's like powdery. Ooh, they smell really good. Okay, it's around 400, that'll do. Oh, makes me jump every time. Okay, I put it on low heat, 2 tablespoons. It literally looks like dog food, I can't. So this is what it looks like. I put a 20-minute timer on, and I'm supposed to stir like occasionally. Oh no. So I'm like alternating between stirring the pearls and also getting the tea ready. Oh, I don't want it to burn. going back and forth. Oh my gosh. Okay, so far so good. I haven't burnt it yet. So I got the pearls cooking in that pot. And then I've got my green tea sitting there and my black tea. Okay, yeah, I shouldn't be dancing with hot jugs of tea. I don't really know what I'm doing. Please don't burn, please don't burn. Once the pearls are ready, I'll have to drain them. It literally looks like saliva. So now I got to drain them and they kind of remind me of beans. I'm gonna be so sad if all like my pearls fall into the sink. That would be so depressing. So I just finished draining out the liquid and here are my pearls. And somehow I didn't lose any down the drain. Oh no, teaspoons. I used 1 tablespoon. I already messed it up. That's okay, it's fine. It's gonna taste fine. All right, here's a tablespoon. Oh no, I can't believe I used tablespoon. I dropped a spoon. I have way too much creamer. Oh my god. Oh, it looks like popcorn bits. I'll show you what it looks like. Oh no. All right, now I gotta get my ice. Here is a close-up. Got the pearls at the bottom. I'm probably using it wrong. I'm just gonna pour a few in there. Ooh, it does look pretty. And then I'm gonna add in the strawberry syrup with pulp. So I'm trying to open it and this happened. I'm just gonna estimate how much to put in. Mixy mix. This is literally my own recipe for this green tea strawberry popping pearls. So I got my pearl milk tea, well, my original one, and also this fruity one. And let's try it. This is really nice. It's like bitter and sweet. And the most exciting part is trying this milk tea. Too much creamer, because I put like 3 tablespoons instead of 3 teaspoons. But other than that, it's pretty good. I would probably add in more fructose, because I really like my boba teas sweet. I would rate the milk tea probably 9 out of 10. And the fruit tea, I'd give it like a 6 or 7, but it's still quite nice. I think it'll be better colder. All right, so here are the final results. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.